Every kingdom got a government. Every government got a law. Every power got a jurisdiction. So when fear starts making decisions, when desire starts issuing orders, when yesterday starts sentencing tomorrow, I got one question.
Who gave you the authority?
Yeah. Bring it before the court. Yeah. 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 There's a whole government living inside. 18 offices, but only one design. Root got a voice when survival's on the line. Sacral brings the feeling, but desire don't decide. Navel holds the center, keeps the boundaries intact. Sentinel can warn me, but suspicion ain't a fact. Solar brings the power, puts decision in the act. Heart can testify, but love don't cancel what I lack. Throat can speak the truth, third eye reads the scene. Crown can see the hope without escaping what I mean. Every office necessary, every power got a lane. But the minute one takes over, we got tyranny again. Fear can file a motion, anger gets a say. Memory can testify about another day. But testimony ain't a verdict, and emotion ain't the law. If you reaching for the throne,
Show me where you got the call.
who is ruling? By what authority? Is it truth? Is it fear? Is it old emergency? Bring the evidence. Let the whole kingdom see. I got rights inside of me.
It's constitutional.
I got a right to feel.
It's constitutional.
I got a right to heal. I got a right to question every law I used to live. I got a right to change my mind when truth says something different. Fear don't get the throne. Pain don't make the law. Yesterday can testify, but it don't govern tomorrow. Bring it to the light. Let the logos judge it all.
It's constitutional. It's constitutional.
Some laws got written when I barely knew my name. Stay small to stay protected. Being seen will bring you pain. Keep everybody happy, never tell them what you need. Love means giving access. Worth is something that you earn to receive. Family wrote a statute, culture stamped it too. Trauma made amendments just to get the body through. But an emergency provision ain't supposed to rule for life. What protected me at 7 might imprison me tonight. So convene the Inner Council, put the contract on the stand. Was it freely entered into? Did I even understand? Was the covenant informed? Was consent actually free? If it came through fear and coercion, it can come back up for review by me. Yeah.
It's constitutional.
I got a right to feel.
It's constitutional.
I got a right to heal. I got a right to question every law I used to live. I got a right to change my mind when truth says something different. Fear don't get the throne. Pain don't make the law. Yesterday can testify, but it don't govern tomorrow. Bring it to the light. Let the logos judge it all.
It's constitutional. It's constitutional.
Order in the inner court. Thought, you have the right to speak, but you do not automatically govern. Emotion, your testimony will be heard, but intrinsicity is not authority. Memory, you may enter the past into evidence, but you cannot sentence the present for what happened yesterday. Fear, you may warn the kingdom, but you cannot declare a permanent state of emergency. Desire, you may petition. Heart, you may love. Solar plexus, you may execute. Sentinel, you may guard, but no office gets the throne.
Nobody.
Who gave fear the crown?
Nobody.
Who gave pain the law?
Nobody.
Who said wounds can't heal?
Nobody.
Who said the past owns tomorrow?
Nobody.
What happens when the old law falls? I don't exile every part of me that learned to survive. I can thank the old protector while restoring its design. Shadow served a purpose when the kingdom was at war, but the war has been concluded. You don't need those powers anymore. No permanent condemnation, no identity in pain. No persona gets to tell me I can never change again. Bring the wounded off his home, let it learn its work anew. Restoration is the justice that original design pursues. Now the root can build the ground, sacral lets the river move. Navel keeps me centered, solar gives me strength to choose. Heart can love with boundaries, throat can speak without attack. Third eye test, perception, crown can bring the whole thing back. Every office in position, every citizen can speak. Every power under review, no tyranny underneath. conscious construction to consciously building it all. That's government. And baby, it's constitutional.